Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious pomegranate mojito. This refreshing drink is perfect for any occasion, offering a delightful balance of sweet and tart flavors. First, let's gather our essential ingredients and tools. You will need fresh mint, a ripe lime, and vibrant pomegranate arils. Also, have your favorite white rum, simple syrup, and some sparkling club soda on hand. Don't forget a sturdy muddler and a tall glass to craft your perfect cocktail. Now, let's build the foundation of our mojito's incredible flavor. Take about 10 to 12 fresh mint leaves and 2 tablespoons of juicy pomegranate arils, placing them into your tall glass. Using a muddler, gently press and twist the ingredients. The goal is to release their aromatic oils and sweet juices, not to shred the mint. Next, pour in 1 ounce of freshly squeezed lime juice and 1 ounce of simple syrup. This creates a vibrant, sweet, and tangy base. With our flavorful base established, it's time to introduce the spirit of our mojito. Carefully pour 2 ounces of your favorite white rum into the glass, directly over the muddled mint and pomegranate. Next, fill the glass completely to the brim with either crushed ice or ice cubes. The ice will help chill the drink and dilute it perfectly. Give the mixture a gentle stir for about 15 to 20 seconds, ensuring all the ingredients are well combined and the flavors meld beautifully. We are almost there. For the grand finale, top off your delightful creation with 4 to 6 ounces of chilled club soda. This adds a wonderful effervescence and lightens the drink. Now for the presentation. Garnish your mojito with a fresh lime wedge and a vibrant sprig of mint. For an extra touch of elegance and a burst of color, sprinkle a few additional pomegranate arils on top. Your perfect pomegranate mojito is now ready to be enjoyed. Cheers!
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.